This is question number 12 on the higher June 2013 calculator paper. This is an algebra question, and they're asking you to solve this expression, right? 3 brackets x minus 2 is equal to x plus 7. Okay, a question of this type, I can see there x is on both sides of the equal sign, and I can see there's a set of brackets there. I need to do the brackets first, so I'm going to do 3 times x, which is 3x, 3 times 2, which is 6, that's equal to x plus 7. Now, the way I do this is I'm going to try to get all the letters onto one side, and I'm going to try to get all the numbers onto the other. Now, 3x is already here, and that x on its own is going to come across. That x is positive right now. When it comes across, it's going to become minus x. That plus 7 is the only number on the other side. I'm going to leave it there, but that minus 6 is going to come over to the side with all the numbers, and when it comes over, it's going to be the opposite of minus 6, which is plus 6. Now we just need to tidy this up. 3x take away x, or take away 1x, is 2x. 7 plus 6 is 13. Now that x that was on its own in the previous line, that is just a 1x. Don't need to write the 1, but just so that you understand, 3x take away 1x is 2x, 7 plus 6 is 13. To get rid of this 2 and to work out just what x is, I need to divide by 2. 13 divided by 2, you can use your calculator, but you should know it's 6.5. So in my answer space, I'm going to write x is equal to 6.5. And you should be getting full marks in this question. This is a pretty straightforward one, and this part A is a pretty straightforward one to get all 3 of those marks in. Now let's look at part B. Part B is also asking you to solve, but in this case you've got this expression here, 2 minus y divided by 5 is equal to 1. So let's think about what's happening at each stage. We've got 2 minus y, and then all of that is being divided by 5. And that's equal to 1. I'm going to first of all get rid of that 5. To get rid of that 5, I need to do the opposite. When I take it across to the other side, I need to do the opposite of divide by 5. So I'm actually going to times by 5 when I take it across. So I'll get 2 minus y is equal to 1 times 5 is 5. I then need to get rid of that 2 over there, and that 2 is a positive 2. If I take the positive 2 across to the other side, the opposite of adding 2 is minusing 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. What I am left with here, however, and a lot of people get this last bit wrong, I'm left with minus y. That's what I'm left with, because that minus sign is attached to the y. It's the thing that's in front of it. So if minus y is equal to 3, then y must be equal to minus 3. And that is my answer. Now this question, there's several bits of it that need thinking about. Do think about this, do follow it, do try it several times. Ask for help if you don't fully understand it. But those are the steps and stages to get the right answer in that question. Make sure you do try to understand it and get full marks in both part A and part B.